Hello all, welcome to the e-office training module of Chennai GST. In this video, we shall see about creating part files, linking two files and also having an attachment as a file. Now, let's begin by creating a part file. There are two scenarios specifically wherein we need to create a part file. Number one, when the file is with a higher authority and you would like to work on it. Number two, when the file is with a subordinate authority, but however, you are not able to pull up the file because the draft has been initiated and has not yet been completed. In these two scenarios, we need to create a part file. We can choose the Create Part option available under the File menu. Once we click on the Create Part option, this screen appears. Here, we can choose the Browse File option. On choosing this, it asks us of which file do we need to create this as a part for. So, we can say in this list, let's choose extension of time limit file. Now, on pressing the select file button, we see that the file number of the original file appears here. The description, the main category, subcategory also get filled. So, we are creating a part file for this main file which was extension of time limit. We proceed by clicking on Create Part. Now, this screen appears. We see that the file number is having the part 1. So, this means this is a part file for this miscellaneous file. The subject is the same as the previous file, extension of time limit. So now we have created a part file for the main file which was extension of time limit. Just as any normal file, we can continue to work on the note sheet and correspondence. Now let's go to the main file. Now when we choose this main file in our inbox, extension of time limit, we see that the file opens. Now here we use the link option to link this to our part file. We choose the link option and go to internal files. Now this screen appears where there is an option of link or delink. On clicking the attach button, it gives me a list of files. We choose this file which is a part file of extension of time limit and click on attach. So now we see that there is a link that is created from the main file to the part file through this link option. So we have understood now that a part file can be created by using the create part option, and using the browse button we can choose the main file, so that link is automatically created. However, we need to link it back to the main file using this link option. In case we want to delink this file in future, we can click on this and choose the delink option that is available here. However, this delink can be done only by the person who has created the link. Now, let's move on to another functionality known as attachment. How do we attach a file to a particular file? And what is the difference between link and attachment? Now, in this scenario, let me attach a file to this file. On clicking on the file button, it comes to this page. Here, I can click on attach file button to get the list of files that are available here. I choose say confidential. On clicking the attach button, it will ask me for remarks as to if I am sure to attach the file. Remarks, file needed for reference. Let me click the OK button. So now we see that the file has been attached. Now, just as how the linked file could be delinked by the person who made the link, this is not so in attachment. any person can detach this file, not only the person who has attached the file. This can be done by checking this box and clicking on the detach file option. The remarks are mandatory. Now I am not detaching it here. So now let's talk about the differences between link and attachment. In link file, it is similar to the case wherein we keep a Xerox of some file papers in a physical file. So we are able to work on both the physical file and as well as the linked file. However, in attachment, we notice that sometimes we keep an entire file into another file in the physical case. This means we cannot act on the attached file once it is attached. Let's check it here. So, once I click on this attached file here, it opens the file in a separate window. And here we see that the options like edit, send are all disabled. I cannot create a new draft too. I can only view the draft that is available. So, the attached file which was confidential with the subject confidential cannot be edited or any drafts created. However, using the link option, we can work on both the files simultaneously. So, the link option is advantageous when compared to the attached option when simultaneous work needs to be carried out on both files. So, we have seen about the link and the attachment option in this video. In real-time scenario, link option is used with respect to part files and attachment option is used when the entire file needs to be put in another file and it does not need to be used later. In cases of callbook, we can create one file known as callbook and keep attaching files as and when they are added to the callbook. Later, when they need to be retrieved from the callbook, we can detach the file. So, this video explains linking, attachment, part files. In case of any queries or doubts with respect to this video, please reach out at vandana.raj@gov.in. Thank you.